Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today we're making chicken fried steak. Now everybody's familiar with the classic chicken fried steak. It's a cube steak, pounded out, tenderized, breaded, and topped with a country gravy. But today we're gonna elevate it. We're gonna use a sirloin steak, which I'm gonna show you how to trim down yourself, and we're gonna top it with a bacon cream gravy. Now that's amazing. We're gonna get started on the gravy first because that's gonna take the longest. So let's hit the cutting board and see what we need. For the gravy, we are going to need 1 cup of chicken stock, half a cup of heavy cream, 2 strips of bacon, diced, some flat leaf parsley, chopped, and about half a teaspoon of cornstarch. First, we're gonna render out the fat of the bacon, so let's head over the stove and get that started. We have our saucepan on medium heat. We're gonna go in with our bacon. We're gonna wanna give this a couple minutes to render out the fat. All right, as you can see, the fat is rendered down perfectly. The bacon is just about cooked. Now we're going to go in slowly, turn your heat down to low. We're going to go in with our chicken stock. Not the full cup. Go about 3/4. So we're going to save some to mix in with the cornstarch. Now we're going to let this cook for about a minute, bring it back up to temp, and then we're going to add in the cornstarch slurry. Now we took the remaining chicken stock, make our cornstarch slurry. We're going to go into the chicken stock and bacon mixture. This is going to thicken it up almost instantly. We're going to want to cook it about a minute. Then we're going to add in the heavy cream. It's just about where we want. We don't want it too thick because the cream that we're adding in now is going to thicken it up as well. Give this a good stir. Get everything mixed up. Let's give it a little taste. That's good. Let's go in with some salt and pepper. Some fresh parsley. Now we're going to switch this to the back burner. Just let it do its thing on low and thicken up and work on the steak. On to the sirloin steak. I got this nice thick piece of sirloin from our local butcher. Get to know your butcher. What we're going to do is we're going to cut off a lot of this extra fat around the edge. And take that off. Nobody wants to bite into that. That's looking good right there. Take that off like that. Just a little bit right there. Now I'm going to get 2 steaks out of this, and we are definitely going to pound them down as well. So I'm going to split this open. Just like so. Alright, now let's set up to pound this down. Alright. Let's hammer this out. First, we're going to cover it with some saran wrap so that way we're not getting beef blood everywhere. Now to pound this out, kind of want to go in an outward motion. Just like so. We want to pound these out to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now those are perfect. Now we're going to season these up with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Today I'm using the AP Rub by Killer Hogs Barbecue. This is my favorite. But if you don't have this, just mix up some salt, pepper, garlic powder, season both sides. I will drop a link in the description on where to get this. Now we're going to set up the breading station and fry these up. Since we seasoned our steaks, we're not going to season the flour much. We're just going to go in with a little bit of salt and pepper. Get that mixed up. Going to scramble our eggs. Just like so. And on the back stove, we want to heat up a couple tablespoons of oil to fry this up. Don't forget to check on your gravy. Alright, to dredge this, we're going to go flour. Make sure we cover all of it. Flour into the egg. Should we get fully coated in eggs. back into the flour. Careful, grease is hot. Coat it up just like that. And right into our oil. Be very careful. That's the sound you want to hear right there. Now we're going to fry this up to about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Alright, give it a flip. That's what we're looking for right there. We're going to go about another 2 to 3 minutes on that side. Onto the cutting board, we're going to head back over and we're going to eat these. Let's eat this. That's so tender, you really don't even need a steak knife for it. That's really good. The gravy is perfect. You get a slight smokiness from the bacon. The steak is tender, it's juicy. You got a crunch from the breading. This is really good. I really hope you guys try this recipe. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram and Pinterest at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.